Use Case 1. Attack Scenario 1. Malformed packet flooding on NGAP protocol. For this signature-based scenario, a malformed NGAP flooding attack relies on poisoning all the NGAP transmitted UE messages. Malformed packet attacks aim to cause a system to malfunction or even crash by sending to it unexpected inputs, like for example, a network packet after having changed one of its attributes for a random number, or even a packet with a protocol or procedure that was not expected in this specific moment. AMF is the target network element on the SUNKUS testbed, and the attack targets the N2 interface of AMF. The following schematic shows the entire process starting from the attack execution till the detection and remediation actions. The attack runs on the ACE engine. It's been detected by the SID agent and reported as a message over the SID report's Kafka topic. The message is consumed by the SID operator and displayed on the SUNKUS dashboard under the Security tab. The same message is consumed by the MuGeo engine and it's being analyzed to produce the remediation suggestion that will be reported as a new message over the MuGeo Kafka topic. This message is consumed by the SID operator and will be displayed on the SUNKUS dashboard under the Remediation tab. Nominal traffic has been routed into the cluster and it's monitored by the SID agents on all workers. On the left window, the script running the ACE engine is displayed. On the upper right window, the nominal traffic KPIs are displayed in real time, and on the lower window, the SCTP aborts from the AMF are being monitored. Nokia AMF supports the detection and may discard a portion of malicious messages as a protection mechanism. The Use Case 1 scenario is selected on the ACE script. The corresponding Docker container utilizes pre-configured parameters and initiates the attack. The AMF will abort a portion of the malicious traffic. As the attack is still ongoing, within milliseconds, the first detection messages are sent from the probe, which monitors the traffic on N2 interface between the UEs and AMF. These messages are sent on SID reports topic of Kafka bus. The attack messages on SID report topics will be consumed by 1. The SUNKUS dashboard and 2. The MuGeo engine. The attack is visible along with the nominal traffic and can be easily identified. On the right table, the percentage and packet count of the top protocols are reported. Also, under the Deep Packet Inspection tab of the SUNKUS dashboard, a further breakdown of the traffic can be monitored for further analysis. Since the attack has been detected, it is displayed on the SUNKUS dashboard under the Security tab. The duration and the magnitude are forming the graph. The alert timestamp shows the latest detection. The probe ID reporting the attack, in our case the probe that it is configured on worker 1 and monitors the N2 traffic. The property and type, the verdict which shows the total alerts, and the description. Some details of the attack, Kafka message context, can be revealed, including the source, attacker, and target AMF IPs. Coming back to ACE, the attack has been finished and a small impact on the KPIs reveal a performance degradation that occurred on AMF. By the end of the attack, the MuGeo engine has already received the message on SID reports topic and performs the analysis. The remediation suggestion is sent over the MuGeo reports Kafka topic and it is displayed on the SUNKUS dashboard under the Remediation tab. As the verdict is notify the operator provider, No further actions are needed by the operator on the SANCUS dashboard. It is possible to change the remediation suggestion according to the operator's needs. The attack will be repeated, but this time the remediation suggestion will be block the attacker's IP and not notify the operator. For this purpose, the MuGeo engine parses a JSON file that has been injected to the general Kafka topic. This JSON file is a network topology artifact which includes all predefined and necessary costs for attacks and vulnerabilities. The following costs for the examined use cases are taken under consideration: time, energy, monetary cost, and risk factor reduction. The updated JSON file is being injected inside the general Kafka topic and it reaches the MuGeo engine. The attack is executed again, and this time the expected remediation suggestion should be block the attacker's IP. The attack is indeed detected on the SANCUS dashboard. MuGeo engine analyzes the attack based on the updated costs and suggests the C3 block the attacker's IP remediation. The orchestrator is running along with all engines and expects a remediation action. Going back to the dashboard, under the remediation tab, the verdict has changed as expected and the attacker's IP is revealed. As a final step, the operator can press the Apply Remediation button. By verifying this operation, the status is changed, reporting that the remediation has been applied and successfully sent. This means that the SID operator, running also the SANCUS dashboard, sends a message to a specific topic called SO topic containing the attacker's IP. The orchestrator consumes the message and executes the command on the selected network function. In our case, the orchestrator adds the attacker's IP into the AMF's IP filter that blocks both incoming and outgoing traffic for the specific source. This action blocks the attack engine entirely. Any NGAP flooding attack retry from the specific IP will not be able to impact the system anymore. In our case, the attack engine is not possible to establish any connection to the AMF, since any initial attack message will result into a SYN timeout.